Okay, given that a limit is given between 4 to 5, integrate the rational function 25 over 2x minus 3 square and 1 plus x. Okay, this is 2x minus 3 square. That's a repeated factor, and then I have one linear factor. Okay, so if you have a repeated factor and linear factor together, so I can break that into three factors, because 2x minus 3 and then 2x minus 3 square and then 1 plus x. So you have three factors. So let's break that. Okay, so this is same as integrating a over 2x minus 3 square, and then, sorry, I'll start with the easiest one, which is, yeah, start with, okay, so a over 1 plus x, okay, that's the easiest one, and then plus b, the second one will be 2x minus 3, and then followed by the third factor, which is 2x minus 3 square. So writing this, okay, so you will have 25 over 2x minus 3 square 1 plus x, and this is equal to a over 1 plus x. Okay, the aim is to make the denominator same. What we have over here is 1 plus x, but over here on the left the denominator is 2x minus 3 square. So what's missing? Of course 2x minus 3. So I'm going to multiply this with 2x minus 3 square. So do the same thing to the top, 2x minus 3 square, and then on the other side we have b over 2x minus 3. Okay, what is missing is 2x minus 3 and 1 plus x. Okay, these two are missing, so I'm going to write that over here. So 2x minus 3 and then 1 plus x, and the last one is c over 2x minus 3 square. So what's missing here is 1 plus x, okay, which I have to times here with. So looking at the denominators, is all looks the same, okay, exactly the same. So now I can rewrite this with only with the numerator. So a 2x minus 3 square, and then plus b 2x minus 3 and 1 plus x, and plus c with just 1 plus x. Okay, so the task here is to eliminate. Okay, so if I want to eliminate, the easiest one is to eliminate when x equals to -1. Okay, so when x equals to -1, okay, when x equals to -1, then a -2 minus 3 square plus b -2 minus 3, and then times -1 minus 1 plus c 1 minus 1. So what's left here on the right is 25, and this is equal to -2 minus 3 square is 20, -5 square, which is 25a, and then plus 0 plus 0. So a over here is 1. Okay, so next, when x equals to, this is 2x minus 3. Okay, so I have to make x as 3 over 2. Okay, so 2x minus 3 equals 0, so x equals to 3 over 2. So when you sub 3 over 2, a will be eliminated, and anything with 2x minus 3 will be eliminated. So on our right we have 25, so a is 0, so and then b is 0. Okay, why? Because 2 times by 2 times by 2, 3 over 2, okay, minus 3, so this 2 gets cancelled, 3 minus 3 is 0, and then plus c, which is 1 plus 3 over 2. Okay, so 25 equal to, okay, so from here on the left we have 25. Okay, 25 equals to, so this is gone, this is gone, so from here I can see that 25 equal to, that's gone, so this is 1 plus 1.5, which is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 c, so c equal to 25 divided by 2.5, and the answer is 10. So therefore a equal to 1, c equal to 10. Okay, now what is b? Okay. Okay, to find out b, so we already have 25 over 2x minus 3 square and 1 plus x, and this is equal to, that's equal to, a is 1 and c equals to 10. A equals to 1, c equals to 10. So if I rewrite, so that will be 1 over 1 plus x, and then plus b over 2x minus 3, and then c is 10 over 2x minus 3 squared. Okay, so we have to find what is b. So I'm going to multiply this, so expand, what I'm going to get is 25 equal to excuse me, yeah, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to expand this. Okay, a 2x minus 3 squared, b 2x minus 3, 1 plus x, and then c 1 plus x. So I'm going to expand that. So what I'm going to get is 25. So 1 is, so that's, I have to multiply by 2x minus 3. So 1, 2x minus 3 square, and then plus b, I have to times it by 2x minus 3, and then 1 plus x, and then plus 10, which is just 1 plus x. Okay. Okay, and 10 is plus x. Okay, let's expand. So 25 equals to, so when I expand this, I will get 4x squared minus 12x plus 9, and then plus, this would be b times by 2x, and that should be, so b, that is 2x squared minus x and minus 3. Yeah. Okay, and then plus 10 plus 10 is very good. Okay, so it's 10. 25 equals to 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 plus 2bx squared minus bx minus 3b plus 10x plus 10. Okay, so 25 equals to, I'm going to just collect the numbers first. Okay, so which is 10 plus 9, and then followed by just the b minus 3b. Okay, do I need x and x squared? No, I don't, because this is only 25. There's no x or x squared. So I'm just going to compare uh, 10 plus 9 minus 3b with 25. Okay, 25 is a standalone number. There's no coefficient, or there's no x or x squared to that. Okay, so you just have 25. So I'm going to compare with another standalone. So this should be 25 minus 19, which is negative 3b. So 25 minus 19, which is minus 6, equals to negative 3b. So b equals to minus 2. Okay, so once we have got all the values, now I can rewrite, okay, the equation. Okay, so rewriting the equation, what do we have? We have 25 over 2x minus 3 square 1 plus x equals to, okay, so a, so which is 10, no, 1, okay, 1 plus x, and then b, which is minus 2 over 2x minus 3, and finally I have 10 over 2x minus 3 square. Okay, so let's integrate. So when I integrate this, and this is between, the limit is 4 to 5, okay, between 4 to 5. Let's integrate. So this will give me ln, okay, just 1 plus x, okay, and then followed by, this is negative 2. So if I bring this over, so this should be negative 2, 2x negative 3 to the power of negative 1, okay, which is again another ln. So this should give me negative 2 ln 2x minus 3. But remember, you need to differentiate inside. When you differentiate inside, you get 2 divided by 2, and then 10 will give me positive 10, and then you times that by, this is, you can integrate, so 2x minus 3 minus 2, integrate this using the usual method, so that will give me 2x minus 3, and then to the power of negative 1 over 2, differentiate this, give me 2, and then negative 1. Okay, so 10 is already there, so this should give me 2x minus 3 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times by negative 1. There you go. Okay, and then, yeah, now let's simplify. Okay, simplifying this will give me ln 1 plus x minus 2, and 2, you can cancel that, minus ln 2x minus 3, yeah, 2x minus 3, and plus, it's minus 20 plus. Okay, that's minus, so minus 5 over 2x minus 3. There you go. Okay, so, and since we have limit, okay, so don't forget to sub in your values. Okay, let's look at that. Ln 1 plus x since it with limit minus 2 and the limit is 45. Okay, now let's sub inside. So you will have ln 5 plus 1, which is 6, minus ln 10, 10 minus 3, 7, and then minus 5, so it should be negative 5, 10, and minus 5 over 7. Okay, and then minus, do the same thing, so you get ln 4 plus 1, which is ln 5, minus ln 2, 4, 8, another ln 5, and then minus 5 over 8 minus 5, which is negative 1. Should be, yeah, negative 1. Okay, so 5, and then it's just negative 1. So now let's simplify. So ln 6 minus ln 7 minus 5 over 7 minus ln 5 plus ln 5, and then this is negative 1, so it should be plus 1. Okay, so when I simplify this, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out negative ln 7 plus ln 6 minus 5 over 7 plus 1, and this is negative ln 7, excuse me, plus ln 6 plus 2 over 7, which I can write it as ln 6 over 7 plus 2 over 7.